Have you ever taken Ayurvedic medication? Certain food items are used as medication in Ayurveda system of medicine. They cause specific effects in human body. Have you ever noticed this? Why do you find horses in living room? Why do you find waterfalls in bedroom? Why tortoise near money? Why scented candles and why agarbattis in places of worship? Is this some kind of medicine to mind? Does it matter what we eat? To understand this, let's go to basics. Why do we eat? Is it to satisfy hunger? Human body is entirely made up of what we have been eating since birth. Every atom and molecule of body has come from the food we eat. We have wide range of edible things to eat. Whatever we eat, if it is edible, is digested and absorbed by body. If we are conscious enough to observe and sense what is happening to our body, soon after eating something we can notice not all kinds of foods are digested in same way. Certain kinds of food items like fruits are easily digested. Body takes longer than usual time to digest certain kinds of food items like animal meat, and certain kinds of food like extremely spicy food damage body's digestive system temporarily. Various kinds of food items cause various body reactions. People are habituated to specific menu of food items for their daily appetite, or let's say we call it diet. We cannot eat same thing every day. We get bored. We want different food items every day within our habituated diet chart. Suddenly, if you are fed with food which is entirely different from your diet, body cannot just accept, and indigestion or diarrhea occurs. You might have experienced this before when you had something unusual food in some new place. Isn't this concept similar with mind? We get to see and hear so many things which is food to our mind. Our mind is entirely made up of such memories. We get to know many things every day. Some are easily digested. Sometimes we take time and think over it to understand. We want to know new things every day. But this should be within our habituated belief system. There are some opinions and facts out of our system of understanding we get to know and we cannot digest. Overthinking is something like mental diarrhea, isn't it? Now let's see medicine to mind. Just like certain food items bring desired effects in body and act as medicine, watching and listening to certain things slowly cause desired effect to mind in certain level, isn't it? Certain things make you slow and steady. Certain things make you active and dynamic. Certain things make you calm. Earlier, when people who were conscious enough carefully designed atmosphere of living room, workplace and other places to increase the efficiency of mind.